to the back, right? The short guys might be able to duck.
It's just stopped it there. Yeah. So one of the things we wanted to make sure of today was just getting that consistency so that we could see it's actually stopping roughly, within.
So what's the limit on this one? 3 meters, is it?
Well, it's going off the E field. So the bottom line there is an 11 kV line, so it'll be about 3 meters. Yeah, roughly thereabouts. And depending on the angle of the arm, so we tried to get low enough to get underneath it and then raise up. We couldn't even get that far because it's there you go.
But it also doesn't slow you right down gradually.
Correct. Yeah. And the moment you get out of the alarm zone, it resets and you can go and about and do everything. Yeah.
You are working to a limit too, though, so you know that it's usually, so you are.
Well, yeah. Once you kind of know where it's going to stop. All right. So.
That stopped again.
Well, he's probably stopping off the knuckle sensor on that one, so it's within 3 meters there.
So he's below 5 foot.
Correct.
Within.
Yeah, his knuckle's gonna still be kind of there going. Ugh. If he were to be coming on it straight on, he would get further on. Yeah. No, that's right. It's going to stop him even further away now because he's up higher. Plus his top knuckle's getting closer to that 22 kV line, so it's going to be a bit further distance there.
They're all working together.
So if there was another line on the other side, it'd be the same thing. Yeah, typically. Yeah. It kind of depends. Like, as of right now, if you're doing it for an OEM, you would, right? I mean, that's just the way it would do it.